Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about how you can design a website, basics of that points that related to designing a website. You know that in the previous classes we have discussed about web designing introduction, what is website, web designing versus web development. Many things we have discussed and front-end development, backend development, full stack development. You will be clear each and everything in this lecture series of the web designing introduction. So in this class we will learn how you can design a website, some methods, some process I will show you. About this one I will teach you basics of a web designing, but in this class just I overview how we can work on the web designing. You know that this is a website, a theme of a website that is opening in the browser. This is not on the internet, this is in my PC, my laptop, and this is open in the browser. You can see that this is a website or a theme related to of any restaurant. This is developed using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, and you can see that this is a website. You can create such type of website if you know about web designing. So our course is about web designing. Different things we will discuss in the web designing course. There are many things, many skill, many things you have to know in the web designing field. So fundamental skill I will discuss in this course, in which you will get notes, PPT slide, notes, assignment task, and video lecture, source code. Each and everything you will get as I provide. So this is a front end of the website. Look of the website. These are different link, about us, blog, menu, news, contact, and you can see that this is a slider in which different products are placing. You can see that this is a any picture you can insert. This is for example about a restaurant, something. You can write anything else. There are more products, or this one is a basically blog post, and there are many things. You can see that there are different section, and this one is a subscription box. This is a contact box. Anyone can contact. So there are different contact address, social links. This is a footer of the website. This is a header of the website. This is a menu bar, navigation bar. This is a slider. So these are different section of website. I show you website backend. You can see that this is a backend of the website. This is a basic coding in the HTML, CSS is created using this coding. Website is created, that theme of the website is created, and this is a CSS styling for a website. A CSS means for that you can design of any website. This is another file. These are different files. You can see that using these files you can design, you can control designing of the website. So first of all I show you how you can change something else on the website using HTML, CSS. For example, this one is about us, and if you want to change this about us to another text, you have to move on the index.html, control F, and paste your about us, find text. Find next, you can see that this is a text that is displaying on this one, this page. I want to change from about us to about me, about us to about me. So when I refresh, you can see that it is changed to about us to about me. I can also get another link. Just copy this li list item. I will each and everything explain how you can work with li list, ul tag. All about this one I will discuss with you in the HTML course. So I want to change this about me to for example XYZ. Anything else you want to create another link. When I refresh this one, you can see that it is changed, another link is created. And I can also change this image to another image. Just I want to show these are the different folder about our website theme. And this is the image section. In the different images are displaying slider. These are the slider that are displaying on this position. So I want to change one image. So this image, for example, this image I want to insert. Just copy, and in the image section in the slider, paste here. And I want to copy its name and paste here and change its extension png to jpg, and I save this file. And when I open the website, refresh, you will see that image will be displayed. You can see that image is changed. So another thing is that you can also work on this one. For example, this is a menu. If you want to change its color, its size, just right click. After right click, you have to click on inspect. After inspect, there will be some information about this text. Using that information, you can target this heading, this word, apply different types of styling, like its color, its background color, and anything else you can select. You can see that this is a menu. Oh, wait for this one. When I right click inspect, you can see that this is a price, this is a menu, and this is a backend coding. And when I change its coding, don't worry, don't need to be worried. I will explain each and everything. This just a overview how you can work in the backend. I will explain each and everything in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, basics, coding basic concept. I will discuss with you. Each and everything will be clear. So don't need to be worried. What is font color, font weight, and what is coding. Everything will be cleared when we start our course from basics. So for example, you can also change its font size, 10 pixel. You can see that its size is decreases right now. So you know that this is selector. This is a selector. Using this selector, I am targeting this menu word. This is actually heading. I just copy, and this coding is written in the main.css on the line number 76. This is a main.css on the line number 76. 76. You know that this is a 76 line, and heading span. Now I have to change this 45 to 4 pixel. Just when I refresh, you will see that 4 pixel is very negligible. And when I convert for just 100 pixel, I increased just its size. When I refresh, you will see that its size will be increased. You can see that. So another thing, you can also target. Also you can select just a paragraph I want to target. Just inspect. You will see that this is a code in the backend side, and its its coding is this one. When I change this color, for example, any color to red, you will see that its color should be changed to red color. When I change its color from red to, for example, blue, okay, you will see that its color is changed. So in this way you can change its designing. So this is a temporary base. To permanent, to change its color, just you go to this address, main.css, line number 430, 430 main.css, 430. This is a, so I have to change its color from any color to blue. When I refresh, its color should be changed permanently. When I remove this one, you can see this is changing. These are two changings I made, and its color should be changed from any color to blue. So this color is changed. So this is a web designing. We are controlling its design using CSS and HTML. So another thing is that you can remove any one of them. For example, this social link you want to remove, just right click and inspect. Inspecting it will become easy for us to locate element. So you know that uh, its address, what is the just I have to copy this, just copy its information in the index to control F, paste here, you will be able to find. So I have to remove this item, remove, and when I refresh you will see that it should be removed permanently. You can see that there are three remaining social links. So this is a web design. You can control website element, website component using HTML and CSS. So our course is about web designing, in which I will share basics skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, web theme creation, template creation. I will discuss with you. This just was a overview how you can work as a web designing. So anyhow, if you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.